Oh, this is good, guys. So as you can see, guys, we are here to like the garden of players and see, and I will rate how much it will be rating for the design outside of the exteriors and interior. Hopefully this guy will get a good rating. So this one I am checking the wool surroundings, and I see there it is a small house there, and there it is a summer chair. I don't know. I mean, it's a summer tawag dyan. And there it is. As I can see, the garden looks good. 10 out of 10. The exterior design 10 out of 10. But as we look further and inside, I will rate it. I don't know how can I rate it, this one? 5 out of 10 because it look messy around here. And so, as you can see, I will be teleporting in my garden. You see, guys, there it is, and very look messy talaga. So as you can see, I'm here in my garden. So let's see and another player's garden. Oh, I see. It look clean, and the design of exterior is 6 out of 10 because of the design, guys. Kasi the design is a little bit lang tapos kulang pa. I will be chatting here if you don't mind anong mind? Mind yun. Mind, guys, if I will okay, it's a tag. So never mind. So I rate it 10 out of 10. The back back of the garden of this guy. So as you can see, guys, there it is. And as you can see, I see. There it is a garden. A garden of the tree studs looks good. And the third one is, I see there it is Ember Lily design, simple design, 10 out of 10. As we look further in the hair surroundings, okay, meron siyang shock bamboo, shock mushroom, shock mon melon. Okay, as I can see, there it is, and at the back is 10 out of 10. There is a car, I like it, and clothes, there it is. I see the whole background of this girl. So as you can see, guys, I will rate it. The total of it is 30 out of 50. So as you can see, we will be rejoining in another server and to like their garden. Here it is, guys. I am rejoining another server, and as you can see, guys, the game is still loading. So while waiting, guys, hopefully you'll like this. You will like the rating your garden and grow a garden. And don't forget to comment your suggestion in the comment section below and my YouTube account. As you can see, we have 200 billion because I spent it on I spent it on the cosmetics inventory, and hopefully we will be going this as much as possible as we go. And as you can see, there is a girl saying who has a blood kiwi there. So I reply, I have a blood kiwi. So I hopefully we get good, and she will be offer it. Offer random you guys. So as you can see, the name of it says, and excellent. As you can see, there it is. What is the offer of this? Okay, as you can see, there it is, guys. And sabi ko 4. For Bearbee, maybe I don't like the Bearbee, so we will say for pets, pass, I see pass siguro. But I am thinking I will say pass for here, but hopefully he will be he will grant us a good grade, guys, because As you can see, I don't like BRB because nothing. I maybe I'm looking for that I can't use it for now. But as you can see, guys, we're liking another garden. As you can see, there it is Radiohead. As you can see, the garden of this is very simple, and I will rate that as no clean, 10 out of 10. This one too, 10 out of 10. And this one is I see, and as I see is 10 out of 10 too. And the garden of this guy is very look neat and clean. As you can see, there it is. You have a only thorn, nocturne, thorn plants of the stud. As you can see, and they say thank you, and I say welcome. Also, this is a good for my thumbnail. And as you can see, guys, hopefully the good reference is for here, and support this guys because I really like here thorn plants, guys. Very attractable. As you can see, there it is a design that I am liking. It is very 100 out of 10. Kidding. 10 out of 10 pa rin, guys. As you can see, we have a big lilac there, and hopefully we can make it rainbow and gold. Hopefully the next video, guys, I will be finding and buying a pet dragonfly through money. So I will I will make it through as surrounds me, guys. And abangan nyo yun, guys. Stay tuned for that because I will be grinding more and more. But maybe yes, but because of coming college school, I will be maybe busy again. I will accept the trade of that girl, and hopefully she will like it. Okay, let's call here. And sabihin ko, we will be trading at here. So, I will make it English chat, guys. Kasi hindi po tayo pinapayagan minsan ng Roblox na pure Tagalog. So, we will make it Taglish. So, as you can see, guys, I don't know what is the guy talking about because I don't see the real name of the scammer. So, hopefully, and by the way, guys, I hate scammer players because and also the stealing players kasi nakakaano sila sa game, ruining the game. They are stealing from others' fruits, from others, like that. You see, coming players. As you can see, I will be going to here, guys, to trade this blood, the blood to kiwi. So 2 kiwi I will be trading for here. So hopefully we can get a good trade. And as I see, there it is. And this one, I'm liking her garden again because it's above. I don't know why. So I'll rejoin. I will see. I'll rejoining, guys. Pag it's not working pa rin, I will be rejoining kasi I am lagging talaga. As you can see, I can't give it to here. So I will be chatting sabi, oh my god, sabi niya 2 trillion ma-offer ko. Oh, that's good for auntie. That's good. That's good. It's a good offer. Dito po tayo, auntie, sabi ko sa kanya. And there it is. I can't give it. I can't give it. Why? Why I can't give it? Wait lang, magre-rejoin lang ako. Sasabihin ko sa kanya, and hopefully this one will work, guys. So let's go. Okay, go. And now we are rejoining, guys. We will click this, and hopefully we'll be rejoined in the server again. Super fast, super good, and super neat look. Kidding. So here it is, guys. As you can see, we joined the girl, and it's is still loading the game. The game is still loading, guys. As you can see there, it is 45, 51, 58, loading pa rin siya. As you can see there, it is. There it is, guys. I'm here again. I'm back. I stayed to here. So as you can see, guys, I will be trading for that girl. So there it is, and probably she go here in my garden already na nakapunta na siya sa garden ko pala, guys. And ito na yung from the moment of the truth. Bibigyan niya sa atin yung kanyang 2 trillion. Ibibigay din natin sa kanya ang blood kiwi. Pero I don't know bakit hindi ko mabigay yung blood kiwi. Kasi nakaano pala, guys, naka-favorite, haha. So, ayun nga, naka-favorite. Di ko alam na kung paano naka-favorite yun. Kasi tanga talaga ako. Kasi bibigyan sa kanya. Sabi niya, thank you din, sabi ko. Ay, hindi pala. Pero mag-thank you tayo kasi binigyan tayo niya. So, ayun, ayan po. Welcome, gagi. Naka-favorite pala yun. Kaya naman pala. Ayun, akala ko kasi, it's, I thought I am lagging or I lost my connection or what is this, but we will go further and we will go to the sell shop and look how much is this worth, guys. So let's see how much is this worth. So I want to sell this na lang. So there it is. We have 2.3 trillion. Oh my god. Okay, the total of my is 2.8 trillion na, guys. As you can see, we are continuing to liking the garden of other players too. So let's go to inside of my garden, guys. As you can see, we have I have a bigger lilac there. So gusto kong ipa-rainbow to, guys, and I will favorite it para hindi ko siya auto-collect. As you can see, there it is super big, super good, and super nice. So we will find the favorite too. So we will favorite this. That it's. Finally, na-favorite na din natin, guys. As you can see, kung nakaabot ka pa man sa video na to, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment your username to give you a good fruit and to improve your shekels and your in a game. And I will be giving you a very good tip too. So follow me and don't forget to comment your username. So let's be mood and let's be friends and grow garden. And free to join in my private server as long as you are not a scammer and you are not a stealer and upload. You are free and welcome for us always, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.